Welcome back. So this is A-level computer science 9618 and this is Python course tutorial 2. And today in this video we are going to discuss about list, functions and dictionaries. So let's begin with list. List is something like that, arrays are not defined, and or you can say that they are not available in Python. So alternatively we can use list. Okay, list is quite similar. I mean, it's very powerful. You can have so many different data types inside a list. For example, let's suppose I created a list 1, and you can say that this is an empty list. Okay, and if I try to print this, and if I run this, and it will give me an empty. Okay, it will give me this print list. Okay, class list. All right. Oh wait. Okay, if I again run this, so it will give an empty string, empty list. And if I put type and list 1, then it will give me a class list, so it's a class. Okay, now supposing if I want to add something like hello, I can create a list of so many different data types. Okay, I can create a char, I can create a string, I can create integers, I can create a I can also put boolean, right? So you have created a list like that. Okay, so if I again run this, if I run this, and you'll get this. Okay, now if I wanted to access any one of these elements, for example, if I want to get 33, so 0 1 2 index 2, I just run this again and I get 33. Okay, so this is how you create a list, and this is how you can access the elements. Okay, so for example, if I create a fruit list, and I can add I can add elements into the list by using the append method. Append, remove. There are so many methods that you can use. Okay, for example, if I list 1, and I can just have so many methods like index, insert, reverse, extend, sort, append, clear. There are so many things. Okay, so this is 1D list. You can initialize like this, or you can use a coding as well. You can have a coding. So if I just show you guys, okay, print list 3. Okay, I run this and I'll get like this. If I want to, I can just put this 0, and I can initialize like this as well. Okay, so you can initialize in this way, or you can just do some coding, and you can initialize in this way as well. So you can see this beauty in Python, that it's so flexible that you can even do coding in order to make some initialization. Okay, so this is very amazing inside in Python as compared to Java, which I just made a video in in OOP and other stuff. But since this is Python, and I think I'm going to learn this myself, I'm going to master this completely, because it is so flexible, and also it's used in AI as well. Okay, never mind. Let's move on. You can initialize the list in this way as well. List 4 is equals to space multiply by 5, so print and list 4. If I run this, and I will get these 4 spaces. Okay, 5 spaces. Okay, so this is what list is. This is 1D list. Now what happens if I wanted a 2D list, a 2D array, a matrix? So how will I do that? I will just put a list within a list. It's like this. Okay, so this is list 2D. I got list 1, list 2, list 3, and I can access these lists by using index like 1 3, which means 0 1, and then 0 1 2 3. So I will get 55. If I run this, I get 55. Okay, and if I just print this as a whole, then I'll get these. This is the 2D. Okay, so this is how you can create a 1D and 2D list. All right, now let's come to functions. Now, in order to create a function, you will use this keyword def, and then you can name any function like function name, anything like that. Okay, and you can put these curly brackets, and you can pass any parameters, anything. So if I say print hello me, okay, so I have created a function now, and then if I just call this function name, and then it will work, hello me. Now I can pass um, any parameters, okay, for example num1 and num2. Now I can just do like this, okay, it will give a print, and I can pass these numbers like this, okay. I get 121. Okay, so if I change this, I'll say num1 is equals to num1 plus 5. Okay, num2 is equals to num2 minus 3. And then I want to return these, as I can return so many different variables at the same time. Okay, and I guess I'll just x y is equals to function name. Okay, so this is how I can, after creating this function, I can return these variable, and these variable will be safe in x and y. Okay, num1 will be safe in x, num2 will be safe in y. Okay, now let's check this x, and I can check this y. Okay, or wait, if I just is the value of x. Okay, and is the value of y. Okay, so this is how you create a function. If I run this, 60 is the value of x, 63 is the value of y. So this is how you create a function, this is how you call it. Okay, another important thing is, how can I define a main function? There should be a main function, right? But sadly there's none in Python. There's no main function in Python. You are executing the code one by one in a line, in sequential manner. But if you want a main function, you can create one like this. Okay, so this is how, this is, you can say that this is your main, and if the name is a main, I mean, okay, this is the main function. Okay, so if I run this, it will run. Okay, but if I don't run this, okay, you know what, let me just check, let me show you what is this variable. If I print this, it will give me the name main. There you go, you can say that this is your main function, and then you can just do the stuff. So this is how you do it. This is your main, you can say. All right, so yeah, so if I run this, and you will get this. Okay, so this is how you create a function. This is how you can create a main function by using this. So you can write down all the codes, all the stuff in here, like print yahoo me. Okay, it will work, but you can create so many functions, and you can call all of them in here. Okay, so you can say that it will act like a main function. Okay, so that's how it is. So this is the function, this is the list. Now let's come to dictionaries. Okay, right, so okay, let me remove this as well. Now we are focusing on dictionaries. Dictionaries, right? What is a dictionary? Dictionaries, you can say that when creating a dictionary, you are creating a pair of values and keys. Okay, so the dictionary is something that it groups together related things, related piece of information. Like in any normal dictionary, for example, Oxford Dictionary, the having different words and their meanings. They are like for example, I'm searching for a word. I'm searching for a word. Like for example, excellent. Excellent is a word which I don't know. I'm learning the English my first time, and then I will get a pair of having so many descriptions, right? Okay, so this is a key, this is a value. So this is how you can create a dictionary. Let me show you how. So my dictionaries is equal to this, and I'm creating a key values. Okay, buck is equal to Yahoo bug. I love bugs. Okay, this is key pair one. Let's say I have code. I love coding. This is another key pair. Okay. Okay, what's happening in here? What is happening? Why is it giving me an error? Expected. Oh, okay. Right. Another thing. Let's say if I wanted to add okay, software. I love creating softwares. Okay, so I've created a dictionary, and if I print this, my dictionary, if I run this, and I'll get Yahoo. Okay, let's say that I'm passing something. Okay, and let's say I'm passing bug. So what will I get? I will get the value according to that element, according to the key pair. So this is the key, and if I just put a put a square bracket and I put a key, then I will get the value according to that particular key. Yahoo bug, I love bugs. Okay, so this is how you can access the values of any particular key values key. All right. Okay, what if I wanted to change something, right? So my dictionary bug is equal to I don't like bugs. I don't like bugs now. So I've changed this, and if I wanted to again see this, and if I type bug, now just check this. I don't like bugs now. So I have changed the value. Okay, so you can change the value like this as well. Now let's suppose if I want to add a new key pair, a new key value pair. I want to add something new in the dictionary, so I can just randomly, you know, element over, or you can say key one. Okay, and then write the description. I love key pairs, right? And then if I print this my dictionary, if I run this, and I'll get, there you go. I love key pair. So this how you can edit. This how you can add anything. This how you can edit any key pair values, and this how you can add inside a dictionary. Okay. Now let's suppose I wanted to run a loop. Okay. For for dicts in my dictionary. Okay. Okay, and if I print, so what will I get if I see this, what will I get? Let me just comment this. If I run this, I will get bug code software. Okay, so this it's giving me these key values, these keys, giving me these keys. Okay, now I want these values as well. So dict dot values, or you can say dict dot. Okay, yeah. All right. The best way, dict dict, and this is how I could get the information. Yahoo bug. I love bugs. I love coding. I love creating softwares. All right. So this is how you can do it like this. Okay. Another amazing thing about dictionary is, for example, let me create a calculator, right? So def add any number num1 num2, okay, and it will return me, okay, it will return n1 plus n2. Okay, now let me create subtract, and the same thing if I create multiply. For now these three things will do. Now I can create my calc dictionary. Okay, I can create a dictionary like this, and I can say if it is plus, then this function will be returned, the add function. The add function will be returned. Okay. Similarly, if I get minus, then I will return the subtract function. And same thing, if I get multiply, then I will return the multiply function. Okay. So I have created these function. I can call them in so many ways. Okay. Now my chosen function is equal to my calc, and I can just put this. Now depending on the keys, it will return these chosen functions. If I put plus, then it will return an add function. It will be safe in here, and this will act like a add function. So my chosen function, and I just put values like 44, 55. Okay, it will return something. Answer is equals to this, and if I print this, is the answer. Okay, so if I run this, and it won't. Okay, missing 2 required per brackets. So if I run this, this will give me the answer. Okay, if I put subtraction, it will give the same thing, minus 11. Okay, if I choose multiplication, then you can 2420. So this is how you can manipulate the dictionary, and you can choose any one of these function, and you can pass the address of this, and this will act like that function. And this is how you can work with dictionaries. You can manipulate like this with function. You can put in a loop on, and also you can create a dictionary within a dictionary as well. So let's go through that as well. So for example, I can create a dictionary within a dictionary. Travel log, and I've created this, and country is equal to France. Okay, um, country is equal to France. Rating, I love it. Okay, so I can create a dictionary within a dictionary like this. Okay, if I just country Japan, rating awesome. Okay, so I got two dictionaries, right? I got two dictionaries, and this is a list. It's actually a list. Okay, so list of dictionaries, right? So if I choose print and travel slash log and I just put a zero index, I will get this dictionary, country France, rating I love it. If I put one, then I will get Japan, rating awesome. Alright, so this is how you can manipulate dictionaries, and we have also done function, and we also understood about list as well. So I think it's enough for now, and we will discuss about what we will discuss about object oriented programming. So this would be our part 3. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.